Hey guys, this is Sonic. You may be wondering, Sonic, why do you look different today? Eh, well, isn't it obvious? My design. You see, I kind of still look the same. I just thought I have this plushie for a while. It's kind of old. It doesn't look too dirty, to be honest. I kind of take good care of my plushies, but I'm using a Sonic as a base for my new for my Sonic Boom custom. So I call this. I didn't come up with the name, so here's gonna be called for Boom Sonic for now. Maybe I will change his name. I might be able to change my logo too. So you need to wait until this video. So yeah, I'll just change my logo. Nothing too personal, but I'll just show you this. Thus I got a bandana and I got my belt. The stars don't look the same. The reason why I do this because I actually have huge. I am a huge fan of Halo. I think in 05, I forgot his name. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and give me a like and subscribe. Yeah, give me a like and subscribe. Okay, guys. I might need to do one more thing. Yeah. I'll stop now. Sonic, kill yourself. Sure. Whee! Oh, seriously, why do I get fall out of space?